Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm gonna be changing the cardboard again today, but we have one dead chicken today. I'm gonna get rid of him. So I'm gonna be changing the cardboard. Alright, so baby chicks poo a lot, so it is essential for us to change the cardboard at least once per day, right? Making a perfect environment for these baby chickens. I'm currently in the process of changing the cardboard today. This is day 3 and we have one dead chicken. Okay, so I just go ahead and change the cardboard. See there, they have fresh bedding. It is essential that baby chicks be kept warm. For the first week of life, they should be kept at a temperature of about 95 degrees. This temperature can be decreased 5 degrees every week going forward. Right? The reason for this, the bigger the chickens be, the more heat they have in their body. So they have heat in their body. The temperature can be adjusted by raising the heat lamp. Well, if I don't have a heat lamp, the regular bulb can work because that's what I have, the regular bulb. So see there, the regular bulb, it can be adjusted. If the chickens are constantly by the lamp, this means they are cold and the lamp should be lowered, right? So we just put the bulb a little bit lowered, right? And if they are constantly away, that means that they are hot and they should put the lamp or the bulb higher, because you know that this will generate heat. The bulb itself generate heat. So if you see that they're constantly away, in this scenario they are just eating, because I just come in here and change their cardboards and provide fresh water and fresh feeding. It's also essential that you change the water at least 2 to 3 times a day. The reason for this, the chickens constantly poo in their water, so it's very important that we change the water at least 2 to 3 times per day. And we should never in any circumstances have the chickens out of feeding. The pan should never be empty and they should have constant access to feedings, because as we know, the feeding is going to be one of the more important part for their weight along with the water. So look at these chicks, day 3. Very happy chickens. You know guys, it's not everything we have to buy. We can also make our own stuff, you know, even the feeding cans. I'm gonna do a video over my neighbor's cub. He used the mackerel pan and make his feeding pans. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna make a video over there and show you how we made his own pans, feeding pans with mackerel. You know the big plastic that the salt mackerel come in, that pan I'm talking. So we can improvise at times We don't need to always have to buy stuff. We can improvise. Happy chickens. I'm also in the process of preparing this section for the big chickens. The other day at the feed store, you heard me ordering white lime. This is what it's for. Um, so this is the white lime for all those who don't know white lime that I sprinkle in the bottom of the cube. And I'm gonna get my sawdust by at least tomorrow, preparing them for about Wednesday, Thursday to put them down here. Okay, talking about improvising, I made my own tarpaulin. I went to a block factory in Montego Bay that have a lot of the 100-pound cement bags, and I asked them for some. I don't remember if it is 50-pound or 100-pound cement bags, but you guys can correct me in the comment section if it's 50-pound or 100 pounds. But here's the tarpaulin. It's, trust me, it's really better than the normal ones, because before I have to be buying tarpaulin a lot, and I just said, but this can use as tarpaulin as well. They will just sew up the top of it and just nail it on the cob. And from I've done this a while back, I haven't changed any tarpaulin. So sometimes it even work out better when you use the hand ton fashion. I say saying go. Yeah. No tear, nothing at all, no matter how the breeze blow, whatever. Tarpaulin still standing. So there. And it's right around my comb. Alright guys, so I'm in my neighbor fowl cube. This is what a eat lamp look like. So these chickens are 2 weeks old. Look at them. 2 weeks old chicks. They are so big. Let me not see the Oh, I'm gonna use them again. These are 2 weeks old chickens. They're my neighbor's chicken. Yeah, they have them in every two-sided coop. Hmm? Okay. Okay. This is the feeding pan I'm telling about that my neighbor made with the pans. Yeah, he made his own feeding pans. But he don't have any in the cupboard at the moment. He have the other ones. But this is what it looks like. And it can hold a lot of feeding. How long a feeding serve from when you're having a this span? About 2 days? 2 days. Yeah, depends on the size chickens. It can serve them up to 2 days in this big pan.